This is Michael Lukes from How to Livable, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to check to see if your content has been stolen using the Grammarly plagiarism checker. So a lot of people use the plagiarism checker to make sure the content that they are creating is unique and not accidentally copying a different website's content. But you can also do the reverse. You can also see if your content has been stolen and is being used on other websites, which is a big problem since content is very valuable and you want to make sure that your content stays your content. You need to make sure that nobody else is stealing it. So obviously you want to have an account on Grammarly. You can go to Grammarly.com to create a free or premium account. If you don't have an account yet, please do use the referral link in the comment section below. That is good for a free account as well. So when you get to the home base of Grammarly, which we're looking at now, you want to go ahead and click on New to start a new document. And then you can copy and paste the text from the article that you want to check. So I'm going to go ahead and do that here. This was a post that was republished, and I link back to the original post as well, properly sourcing that. So you can just go ahead and copy and paste. Now Grammarly obviously thinks you want to edit this post to check for style, grammatical errors. We're not doing that here, so we just want to go ahead and click Done. And then down here, way in the right-hand corner is, as you can see, it reads plagiarism. And that is what you want to click. It's not going to automatically check your content for plagiarism unless you check that. And now it does check it against around 16 billion web pages of content. So after you click it, it's going to go ahead and analyze the post. It does usually take a few seconds. Depending on how many different websites you've posted this article, it might take longer. I have found that for articles that I have published on several different websites, it takes longer to analyze. So as you can see, 100% plagiarism, and that is because it is posted on this other blog site. Something cool here is if you are using Grammarly to check your articles for plagiarism, you can reference the article that it shows your content is coming from. So I just clicked on that. It copies the reference to the clipboard, and then you can insert that in the post so you're making sure that you're not ripping off anybody else's post. So that's the basics. Something else as a writer, something I always do is I copy and paste maybe just a paragraph or so from one of my posts and put that in Google to see what results come up as well. Now, although I do have that post published in LinkedIn, since I did link it to the original post, my LinkedIn article is not going to show up. It's just going to come up to the original post here, which you can see, and there's no other mentions of that post, so it's not being stolen by anybody else. But those are kind of the basics of checking your articles to see if they've been stolen using the Grammarly plagiarism checker. Thanks for checking out the video. Please comment below with any questions or comments. And once again, if you are looking to create a Grammarly account, please do use the referral link in the comments section. Thank you.